Basic Beginners Tenor Guitar and Baritone Ukulele, Chicago Tuning, DGBE, Perfect Timing, A Focused Approach, Book 1. This is lesson, oh my goodness, 7.2, let's see. Oh, I was going to say 7 part 3. Hang on, I think it's 8 part 1. Go nowhere. This is a first. I'm checking something. Yeah, it's 8 part 1. Lesson 8 part 1. Now that's some fancy videography you won't see everywhere. Lesson 8 part 1. So I wanted to go back and, as I've done a number of times here, get that count showing the pickup note on page 58. I just want to play that bottom line again one more time. And you could kind of get the tempo count 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it'll be 1, 2, 3, and the pickup is on 4. So you kind of say 4 and play at the same time, and then continue to count. You can play this along with me, or like I've always said, shut it off, try to play it by yourself. Make sure you count and get all your notes right, okay? So here we go. Line at the bottom of page 58, where it says count it out loud, okay? All right, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And no 4, right? Because it's 3 at the end, because there was a pickup note with a 1 count at the beginning, okay? Just wanted to make sure you kind of got that. From this point on forward, and we're going to be on page 59 now, where the song "This Old Man" is at the bottom. It's a song about me. No, it's about some other old man. But from this point forward, the rest of our study is just several pages of short songs. Actually, it's quite a few. I got quite a few songs here to go through before we're done. To help you practice what you've learned in the preceding. Wow, that is really bright, isn't it? Sorry. In the preceding pages. Before you begin, I want to note one more piece of musical notation, that of the repeat bar. And this is just a little reading. You'll see this some, maybe. I'm trying to remember if we have in these exercises or songs, but just be aware and study this so that you know it from a standpoint of understanding how to move through a piece of music, okay? Fairly often you'll encounter a pair of dots on the left-hand side of a double bar, such as at the end of a song. The pair of dots indicate that the music should be repeated from a point where an earlier double bar with a similar pair of dots appear to the right-hand side of that double bar, okay? I'll say of that double bar. That's why I have in quotes, of that double bar. When no such double bar with dots to the right exists, that means you should go to the beginning of the song and play it all again. Okay, such dots and double bars would look like this. So you can just kind of study this and read the little notations. One of them, it's kind of showing at the end of a piece of music here. Hopefully this doesn't confuse too much at the end, but that one, it goes through it. And there are more musical notation aspects to repeats and things that we're not going to get into, but I wanted to bring these to your attention some. Double dots to the left, double dots to the right. So beware and look for these in the following songs. You will see a few. Well, I've said it, you will see a few. Okay. Well, like here on This Old Man, I do actually have double bar and double dots there. And that's really just to indicate that you could go back and play it as much as you want. Getting into This Old Man by, I have unknown, 1906. I know when, but I don't know who wrote This Old Man. Of notes, accidentals in the key signature. Oh, there is an F sharp. Eighth notes, repeats, and pick up and down picking. Okay, I have the picking order in there. So try to follow that. Hopefully I'll play it well, and you'll pick it right up, right? So This Old Man, let's give it a whirl. 1, 2, ready. And there's an F sharp in the key signature, right? 4/4 time. Always important to look at all these things first. Sorry, should emphasize that. 1, 2, ready, play. So man, this old man, he... Uh-oh, I sang it wrong. I did that on my... I'm doing a guitar series too. I sang This Old Man twice. It's This Old Man, he played one. Really don't have to sing these, but kind of helps. Ready, 1, 2, ready, play. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. And then with the repeat, you would go back and play again. I'm not going to, just save a little time. Let's do it with the chords that you notice are below there. And in this case, we went through this where the chords are just, you have to know what they are. So it's 4/4 time. You can just do the 4 downstroke strum pattern. Like 1, 2, and we're on G, starts on G. 1, 2, ready, play. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb with a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. Okay, you notice the last measure broke up. The chords had a D. 2 D strokes and 2 G strokes to end, right? And again, the double dots on the bar, you play it again. Sometimes you'll see a note, play as many times as you like, right? I only think I want to play that song maybe twice. That's and so, Red River Valley. Everything else I needed to on page 60. Red River Valley is interesting. Oh, this is by Jules V. Allen, 1896. It's another brand new song, right? So I'll probably need a little practice to this. I should have practiced beforehand. See how good I can do cold. And what do we have here? It's in 4/4 time. There's pickup notes because the first measure just has 2 quarters, right? That's not 4. It's in 4/4 time. So what you look clear to the end, and even though there's a tie there on the word true, the last 2 measures, right? It's tied, so it's going to be a whole note and a half note. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as one note because of the tie, tying them together, right? That's how it'll sound as one 6-count note. But the very last measure is only 2 because the first measure is only 2 counts, okay? So let's give it a try with my bright, shiny light. Looks scary, doesn't it? Sorry. Hope I'm not scaring you. Should do this in the daytime. Okay, so we're going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 1, play. Then come sit by my side if you love me. Okay, and note there's an F sharp noted in here, okay? Key signature, and it doesn't appear in front of the note, so you have to remember that. Okay, so a lot of little elements kind of culminating in one piece. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, play. Then come sit by my side if you love me. 2, 3, and then rest. Do not hasten by me and you. 2, 3, 4, rest. River Valley. Rest. There's the F sharp. Okay, 3, 4, 1, 2. Wow, so we're going to do that again for sure because I kind of butchered it. So let's try it again. I'm just going to count, and because that's more important. I'm going to do the counts along with the playing. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest. I want to make sure I get that. Yeah, it's a half rest. I'm sorry, I'm messing that up. So it's 1, 2 at the beginning of each of those lines with the rest. Let's try it again. This is becoming a little clunky, but we'll get through. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, play, then come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. That was the rest. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Boy, I'd almost like to do that again. It's embarrassing when the teacher doesn't get through it. See, I could edit these and be all professional, but you know, everybody makes mistakes. You got to practice, and even though I've played a long time, the reading is a little challenging. As I said at the beginning of these, I'm more of a sight, play a lot of little things. But to actually sight read is a little tricky. And so there, my early on comment about how important it is to be able to sight read kind of shows through here a little bit, right? To my embarrassment. But let's try it one more time, and we'll just count them again, okay? I think we're running long on this lesson, but I want to get through it and play it well together. And again, you can turn this off and just start again on your own. Just count at your favorite tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, play. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, rest. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, this will be known as the song that the teacher couldn't get through. Made it that time all the way to the last measure, and I am blaming it on my glasses, the light, distance from, I should have had that all worked out, right? But anyway, as far as you practicing, you can go back. Notes, just like this old man, the last page, accidentals F sharp in the key signature. You may have noticed there, even though it was in the key signature, there weren't any F sharps actually in this old man. So why is that? Why is the F sharp actually in the key signature, I asked. The little guy there says, I don't know. So the answer is it's because the song is in the key of G. Did you also notice the F sharp in the Red River Valley? And what I meant that it's in the key of G, it is. If we did the chords strumming along, let's see, we didn't do that with this old man, or did we? Maybe we did. Yeah, we did. And we could do it with this one too. Maybe we will. But just because it's in the key signature, you might not hit a note, one of those notes in the whole song. Okay. And did you also notice the F sharp in Red River Valley? There's only one is a lower F sharp. Remember, if it's in the key signature, it means any F sharp, high or low, anywhere. Did you count the tie at the last two measures correctly? We talked about that earlier. Did you play the rests properly? That was tricky in this song, okay? So let's do like, I'm going to strum the chords and sing along. I have a minute to get it done, so let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, then come, then, see, then come, sit by my side if you love me. I'm going to speed up. Do not hate, then to be in me and do. But remember the Red River Valley and the cowboy who loved you so true. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, that's it. Let's go to the next lesson. Boy, that buzzed by quick, didn't it? All right, see you there.